Cult of Mac, Apple postpones March presentation and release of iPhone SE2 due to coronavirus and delays in production. California authorities temporarily ban mass events with the number of participants from 1,000 people. Apple has postponed the presentation and the possible release of the new iPhone SE model due to production delays and an outbreak of coronavirus, Cult of Mac reports citing sources. The company itself did not announce the presentation. It was reported by sources of iPhone Ticker and other media. This decision was made after the Santa Clara County Department of Health banned public events with more than 1,000 participants. The ban will be valid from March 11 to April 1. The presentation was supposed to take place at Apple Park in California on March 31, recalls Cult of Mac. The event was supposed to be attended by about 1,000 participants. In Santa Clara, 43 cases of infection with the new coronavirus COVID-19 were officially confirmed. One of the patients died. California has 133 confirmed cases and 2 deaths. In total, about 900 cases were registered in the USA, about 30 of them died. In addition, the decision was affected by delays in the production of 2 main products, which are not specified. Earlier, Cult of Mac, citing Ming-Chi Kuo, an analyst at TF International Securities, reported that Apple will release a 4.7-inch iPhone SE2 in spring. It will supposedly cost $399. 28.7 thousand rubles, and will be called iPhone SE2 or iPhone 9. The design of the smartphone will be the same as that of the iPhone 8, but the device will be equipped with a faster A13 Bionic processor and a large amount of RAM.